All right, everybody, super quick because I know you don't have time to waste. You're looking for an adapter that will allow you to hook up a 1 pound propane to a grill. And if it's not a grill, you're looking for an adapter that'll work with that connection right there. Typically, these are the hoses that you'll find a grill. So I searched on Amazon, found this adapter for, I think it was $8. It works perfectly. Let me put it together and I'll show you. All right, here's the two working together. I've got the hose hooked up to the 1 pound propane tank. So let's say one night you were grilling out some burgers and your big 25, 30 pound propane tank ran out, but you do have some 1 pound canisters there. That's how you'd make it work. So there you go. I hope this is helpful.